2017 Keystone Premier 26RBPR for sale in Clarksville, Tennessee 37043. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Keystone Premier 26RBPR. This luxurious travel trailer is 31.42 feet from bumper to nose and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 2 slide-outs, 1 20-foot awning and a leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use. It has never been smoked in or had pets of any kind, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2017 Keystone Premier 26RBPR is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with 3-burner stove with oven, MicrowaveLarge Refrigerator / freezer island with double kitchen SinkDinette with chair seating for FourLarge PantryTelevisionSurround SoundDVD / CD / stereo 68, trifold sofa large bathroom with radius ShowerLinen ClosetSinkToiletMaster queen-size BedFull master ClosetsLaundry ChuteOutdoor kitchen with refrigerator, sink and 2-burner StovePass Thru StorageDocking station and much more. This 2017 Keystone Premier 26RBPR is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Keystone Premier 26RBPR can be yours.